Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the colors on the Darkroom application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the select image button, and new you can select a photo from your gallery. Tap to the color button next to the effects section at the bottom of the screen, and here you can set neon colors or dark or second colors and more. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.